दिन का दिन काफ़ी खास होता है हर किसी के लिए। तो मैंने सुना है कि आपने कैंसलेशन में किया है, तो क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है आपका कैंसलेशन?
नॉर्मली हम जो भी समाज सेवा करते हैं हम उसके बारे में खासकर ज़्यादा बात करते हैं नहीं, लेकिन ये पहले से रहा है कि मतलब सालों से सिंस आप ये जान गए हैं ये फैक्ट और आप पूछ रहे हैं, सालों से ऑन माई बर्थडे जन्मदिन पर मैं हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ खास कर ही लेती हूँ। मेरे लिए और मायना रखता है। मेरे माता पिता ने मुझे ये सिखाया है छोटे से कि उस दिन कुछ स्पेशल करें. इट बिकम्स मोर स्पेशल व्हेन यू डू समथिंग मोर मीनिंगफुल, and that's always stayed with me. So every year my birthday I've always definitely either had the opportunity to physically go and interact with the social services that I'm involved with, or at least be able to make a difference in some which way. So yes, this year particularly it's been looking after a lot of children with their cancer chemotherapy and their recovery, God bless, God willing. And the only reason I'm sharing this is because a couple of days ago people from my I always call you all well-wishers, but my fan clubs across the world, they sent me really, you'll always send me flowers and big bouquets and lots of chocolates and goodies and some special gift or the other. And I extended saying that, I do a lot of work through my foundation, through the Aishwarya Rai Foundation for years now. So, instead of spending so much money on ostentatious gifts or even huge bouquets today, which are so expensive, I think every little rupee or whatever your currency be counts, and I'd rather you redirect it to my foundation, because then it will only contribute to making a larger difference in society. And that was what I extended to people. So I think through that they got to know that I do a lot of work through my foundation on my birthday. So thank you. Thank you for all your contributions. How you'll ask all these personal questions? I think we leave it to Abhishek to share. But of course he has given me a gift. But for life, I think the biggest gift is that we can have Aradhya in our life.
Aishwarya, we have not seen you on silver screen for a long time. When are we going to see you? Because your fans are missing you on screen.
Thank you. All I can say is thank you so much. If films could be made overnight, then yeah, I guess tomorrow I'd be working on a film and day after it would be released. But these plans just take time. That's the only fact. And a lot of the filmmakers you all know who I've worked with are currently working on their releases. So obviously, by the time they finish with this release or with their movies that they are making currently and releasing them, and then get into the pre-production of scripts discussed, it's going to take a little bit of time. So for that I can only apologize to my well-wishers, but then that's the time filmmaking takes. Now you realize it. In 2 hours, 3 hours you decide the fate of a film, but it takes time to come together. And all I can say is looking forward.
अच्छा, हमारी मेमोरीज है बर्थडे की।
साल में क्या नया करेंगे ऐश्वर्या, और क्या पॉजिटिव बदलाव दिखेगा?
What do you mean by positive बदलाव? क्या नया दिखेगा वो तो साल ही खुद दर्शाएगा. मैं भी नहीं जानती what lies tomorrow. None of us ever do. I've always said I live each moment for what it is and live from the day to the next. I've always tried to make every day meaningful in my life, professionally, personally, and today with as closely as y'all are able to track my life, I'm sure y'all will know what every day presents. So I've never been one to make resolutions or to be able to put down on paper how tomorrow will roll, but I can very blissfully today and happily say that I'm very thankful to God that I get to feel my life flying by. I think to experience that, it just means there is so much going on. There's so much I've been able to do every day of my waking life, and it's an absolute blessing that time's just flying by in life.
Aishwarya, one of the most awaited franchise.
We'll give them a chance. Thank you.